Hi guys, welcome back to Baking Style. So today we're going to be making Christmas M&M blondies. I'm really excited because this is my first time making blondies. So what you'll need will be flour, dark brown sugar, melted butter, red and green M&M'S, granulated sugar, room temperature eggs, baking powder, and vanilla extract. I'll put all the ingredients and the measurements in the description down below if you guys want to follow along. So first, what you're going to do is combine your flour and baking powder. Then just set that aside. Now in a large bowl, you're going to combine your dark brown sugar, granulated sugar, and your melted butter. And then you just want to mix that together with a spatula, not a whisk. Okay, now we're going to add in our dry ingredients, so our flour. I need to do it a little bit at a time because it'll just make it easier for me to do it. Again, right about now is a good time to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now we're going to fold in our M&Ms. Wow, okay. Just fold them in because you don't want to break them. We're going to take a 9 by 13 inch baking pan. I'm using a glass one, and I already have it on parchment paper, obviously, and sprayed. So we just want to pour that in. Try not to overmix this, because it will change like the consistency and how it goes. So yeah. Okay, I think that is good. Now we're just going to put it in the oven for 28 to 30 minutes. I'm just going to start with 28. Well, I'll see you guys once that is all done. Okay, so the timer just went off. Now we're going to check if they are all done. Let's see. So I'm going to test these just to make sure. I know they'll keep baking, but like I just want to make sure they're not too runny, like watery. So let's see. Yeah, those are good. Okay, these look so good. Amazing. Okay. So let's wait about maybe like 5 minutes and we'll come back and take it out of the pan and then let it cool completely. So this is how it looked once it's all done. Obviously, as you can see, it's not into squares yet. I will cut it into squares off camera and just show a picture. But it has to be completely cold for that. As you can see, there are a few cracks because it was quite a process to take it out. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!